Every PC and laptop has RAM, and the sticker lists a dozen numbers most people just ignore. Gigabytes, DDR5, megatransfers, CL30, XMP. So let's fix that. Here is every RAM spec that actually matters when you buy, explained. Capacity is the number everyone already knows, the 16 gigabytes on the box. RAM is your computer's short-term memory, the space it uses for whatever you're doing right now, open apps, browser tabs, a game. The more you have, the more you can run at once before things slow to a crawl. But here's the catch people miss. More RAM doesn't make your PC faster, it just lets you do more at the same time. Empty RAM isn't wasted, and doubling it past what you actually use changes nothing. So what should you buy? In 2026, 16 gigabytes is the comfortable baseline, 32 if you game seriously or edit video, and 64 only if you truly know why you need it. Quick one. If you like knowing what your money is actually buying, subscribe. DDR is the generation of the RAM, and right now you'll see three: DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5. DDR stands for double data rate, and each new generation is faster and sips less power than the last. DDR3 arrived in 2007, DDR4 in 2014, and DDR5 in 2021. The strength of moving up is real bandwidth and efficiency gains. The catch is the big one. They are not interchangeable. A DDR5 stick physically will not fit a DDR4 motherboard. The notch is in a different place on purpose, so you can't jam the wrong one in. So what should you buy? Match your motherboard. A new build in 2026 means DDR5. An older board may be locked to DDR4, and no adapter changes that. Speed is the big 4-digit number, something like 6,000. It's measured in megatransfers per second, MTIS, even though people still call it megahertz out of habit. It tells you how much data the RAM can move each second. Higher means more bandwidth for the CPU to feed on. Here's the double data rate trick in action. The RAM transfers twice per clock tick, which is exactly why that MTS figure is double the real clock speed. The strength is that faster memory genuinely helps some workloads, especially gaming on AMD chips. The weakness is diminishing returns, past a point you're paying a lot for a couple of extra frames. What should you buy? For DDR5 in 2026, a 6,000 mega transfer kit is the sweet spot of speed versus price. CAS latency is speed's hidden twin. The CL number like CL30 or CL36. If MTS is how fast the RAM moves data, latency is how quickly it responds when the CPU asks. Lower is better. CL30 reacts faster than CL40. But, and this is the part that trips everyone up, you can't judge latency on the CL number alone. A higher speed kit with a slightly higher CL can still be quicker overall, because true latency is the CL divided by the speed. Strength. Low latency sharpens the snappy, responsive feel. Weakness. Chasing the lowest possible timings gets expensive fast for gains you'll never feel. What should you buy? Don't obsess. A DDR5 the 6000 kit at CL30 is the balanced target most people should grab and forget. Channels are the trick that turns two sticks into a team. A single stick runs in single channel. Add a matched second stick and they run in dual channel, working in parallel to nearly double the memory bandwidth. This is the most overlooked upgrade there is. The strength is free performance, same total capacity, far more speed. The weakness is you have to buy in matched pairs and populate the right slots on your board to get it. So here's the one that surprises people. Two 8GB sticks beat a single 16GB stick, even though the capacity is identical, because two channels move data twice as wide. What should you buy? Always buy RAM in a matched kit of two, never a single stick. Form factor is simply the physical size of the stick, and there are two. DIMM is the long, full-size module that goes in desktops. SO-DIMM is the shorter version, about half the length, made for laptops and mini PCs where space is tight. They are not interchangeable. A desktop stick won't fit a laptop and the other way around. The strength of knowing this is avoiding an expensive mistake at checkout. And there's a modern trap to watch for. Many thin laptops now solder the RAM straight to the board or use compact LPDDR memory, which means it can't be upgraded at all. So what should you buy? Match the form factor to your machine. And if it's a laptop, check whether the RAM is even replaceable before you count on upgrading later. XMP and EXPO are the one setting almost everybody forgets, and it might be the most important on this list. Here's the surprise. When you install fast RAM, it does not run fast out of the box. It boots at a slow, safe default. A DDR5 kit rated for 6,000 might quietly run at 4,800. XMP on Intel and EXPO on AMD are one-click profiles in your motherboard's BIOS that unlock the speed you actually paid for. The strength is enormous. One toggle, free performance. The weakness is that it's off by default and hidden in the BIOS, so countless people run expensive RAM at economy speed for years. What should you buy and do? Buy a kit with an XMP or XPO profile, then actually switch it on. Otherwise, you wasted your money. ECC is the spec your PC almost certainly doesn't have, and that's on purpose. ECC stands for Error Correcting Code. This RAM carries extra chips that detect and fix tiny bit flips in real time, the kind of random error a stray cosmic ray can actually cause. It's standard in the servers and workstations running banks, hospitals, and the internet itself, where a single corrupted bit is unacceptable. The strength is obvious. Rock-solid reliability. The weakness is why you don't have it. It needs special CPU and motherboard support, costs more, and runs a touch slower, so regular PCs skip it. Here's the quiet fun fact to end on. The memory holding up the world's servers silently repairs errors every day that your own computer just lives with and hopes for the best. And that's every RAM spec you'll actually see on the box. If this made those numbers finally click, subscribe, New Tech Explained every week, and check out every CPU term explained coming next.